Hello everybody, welcome to AtNet Physics by Arun video channel. In today's video, from today you are going to solve multiple choice questions in the chapter Motion of System of Particles and Rigid Bodies. Okay, so the first question is a uniform rod of length 200 centimeter and mass 500 gram, that is 0.5 kg, is balanced on a wedge placed at 40 centimeter mark. So this is the figure. This is the 200 centimeter long rod. At 40 centimeter you are having a wedge. A mass of 2 kg is suspended from the rod at 20 centimeter. This is 0 centimeter. At 20 centimeter you are suspending a mass 2 kg. Sorry. And another unknown mass m, this is unknown mass m, is suspended from the rod at 160 centimeter mark. This is 0, this is 160 centimeter mark. As shown in the figure. Find the value of m, the value of this mass, such that the rod is in equilibrium. So the acceleration due to gravity g is equal to 10 meter per second square. Okay, that's all. So this question has been asked in the NEET examination in the year 2021. Okay, that's all. So as usual, you are given 4 options: half kg, 1 by 3 kg, 1 by 6 kg, and the fourth one is 1 by 12 kg, which is the right answer, sir. So mass of the rod is 500 grams, that is equal to 0.5 kg. This mass is concentrated at the center of the rod. You know, for every body there will be a center of mass, such that this rod of mass 200 centimeter has its center of mass at its midpoint 100 centimeter. So in order to solve the problem, we are redrawing the figure with elaborately. For equilibrium, tau means what? Torque. What is torque, sir? The product of force into perpendicular distance. Force and perpendicular distance. So ACW, what does it mean by ACW? Anti-clockwise. Torque for equilibrium or anti-equilibrium, torque anti-clockwise is equal to torque clockwise. What does it mean, sir? So already I told you that mass of the rod is 0.5 kg, center of mass at 100 centimeter. So this is the elaborated diagram. This is 0 centimeter. At the mark 20 centimeter, you are suspending 2 kg. At 40 centimeter, you are having the wedge. 100 centimeter, this is the midpoint MP. And 160 centimeter, you have suspended unknown mass M. And 200 centimeter mass the other end of the rod. Okay, that's all. Now, already I told you that torque is the product of force and perpendicular distance. So when this is the wedge and this 2 kg, when you suspend this 2 kg here, there will be a bending towards downwards. This is the direction of anti-clockwise direction. Okay, that's all. And then you are suspending an unknown mass here. When this mass bends, it will be like this. Its moment will be in this direction, that is clockwise direction. Clockwise direction. Okay, torque at the left hand side, LHS is equal to, already I told you that, distance into weight. Force into perpendicular distance. What is the force? Weight of the body. So in the left hand side, the distance is 20 centimeter. So this is 20 centimeter, this is 40 centimeter. So distance between the wedge and the mass 2 kg is 20 centimeter. So this is 20 centimeter into mg, m 2 kg, g acceleration due to gravity. So 20 into 2 into g. For right hand side, you have two masses. One is this mass m, another one is the mass of the rod, which is concentrated at the 100 centimeter, which is at the right hand side of the wedge. Okay, that's all. So the total torque is, what is 60 into 0.5 kilogram into g, mg. M is 0.5, g acceleration due to gravity 60 centimeter. So should we convert the centimeter into meters, sir, it is not necessary because on both sides you have centimeter, they will get cancelled each other. Okay, that's all. So 60 into 0.5 G plus this distance 120 centimeter into mg, force into perpendicular distance. This is force, weight mg, and this is distance. So 20 into 2 into g, that is equal to 20 into 2 into g, that is equal to 60 into 0.5 g plus 120 into mg. So g on both sides will get cancelled. G is here, G is here, G is dividing throughout by small g, everything will cancel. All the g's will disappear, will vanish. So 20 into 2, 40. 60 into 0.5, 30. 60 into 1 by 2, 30. Yeah? Plus 120 into m. So put this 30, bring this 30 to other side. So 120 m is equal to 40 minus 30, that is equal to 10. Then m is equal to 10 divided by 120, that is equal to 1 by 12. So mass m, the unknown mass suspended at the 160th centimeter of the rod is 1 by 12 kilogram. Okay, that's all. So the value of m is equal to 1 by 12 kilogram. Option 4 is the right answer. I already told you that this question has been asked in the NEET examination. Okay, so we will see one more question from this chapter. What is this chapter? System of particles and rigid bodies. Motion of system of particles and rigid bodies. Okay, that's all. We will see one more question in our next video. Till then, thank you one and all. Thank you.